Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty simple, you just have to type DaVinci Resolve. Then you go to the first link, which is the link of Blackmagic Design, which are the creators of DaVinci Resolve. And then you're gonna scroll down to this button, DaVinci free version. Obviously if you want the pro version you can, but I will not since it's pretty expensive. And then you're gonna click on your version. Normally the one you will be using is Windows 86. I'm on Windows and ARM, but I'm pretty sure you will not be in this situation. If you are on Mac, you can use Mac, and on Linux. You're just gonna click here, and then you're gonna not have to fill out everything. I mean, you can if you want, but normally you can just type anything and it should work. Blah blah blah. Register and download. Normally, you just have to, yeah, and you can click on here to be able to download it. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna be right here, and you can right click. So imagine this is the .zip you have. You can right click on it and you will have extract. I'm using 7-zip, it's a little bit faster, and you're gonna have a folder like this. It's called ARM because I'm on ARM. Normally it will not be called like this. And then you're gonna double click on install. It's gonna extract the .dat file you have next to it, which is the installer of the DaVinci Resolve. So we're gonna wait until it's extracting. The file is about 5 and 6 gigabytes of download. So yeah, it really depends on your configuration. So you will arrive right here. Normally you will have more options. I have less since I've already installed it. You can just tick all of the box and then you can click install. It's gonna do all of these things. You can let it run, and at the end you will have this pop-up saying DaVinci Resolve installation complete. You can click OK, and now you can just type DaVinci and you can run it. It's gonna launch a splash screen in a few moments. Is it already launched? Oh yeah, it's already launched, sorry. So normally you will be, I will quit it so you can see where you're gonna appear. Oh, okay. I have an issue, but normally it should just launch and you will be able to log in. I think there's just an issue on Windows ARM. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, you can leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Bye bye!